welcome to a video here with Diesel GT here today. Doing something different. I got a truck this year. Let's have some fun with it. Just cruising some roads for the winter. I figured do a video for you guys and explain some stuff, such things, and even some different content. Really, this is something you guys haven't had. I posted maybe one driving video a long ass time ago. What the hell is that? He's got a bunch of shit there. I don't know. I feel kind of lost, but I'm not. But yeah. Everything in life sucks. It's been hard since my dad passed, so like I post what I can if I feel like it. And since I had a girlfriend, it kind of put me in a mood where I don't really do much with video stuff, tractor stuff. Tractor sitting on a trailer from plowing snow last week. So I'm gonna sit there for a minute until mostly tomorrow, and I'm gonna go plow more snow. Got some stuff to talk about there. Driving around my GMC. She likes driving around in snow. Good truck. Love having the Sitso again. Sitso with the 4L80. Kind of wish it was manual, but can't be beggars. Now we're about to the road. Kind of want a diesel, but hoarding off. Might do something with the truck and make a diesel. Can't really explain because I don't know if I'm going to yet. Could do a video of the car. The old car I had for over a year now with a lot of miles, and I'm burning nothing but AMT oil in it. Hot in here. Some of the hills I'll talk about is bad. Let's start out. I want to do vlogs. Think about doing another channel, vlogs with the truck, and like updates and stuff with the truck only. Maybe tractor once in a while on there, like pulling. This truck will pull pretty good. Yeah, it's not a big load, but I'm still happy to pull with it. It's better than that Chevy I had. I think it was rusted out. I mean, like that video would be more like the car content, car and truck, or any other vehicles I'm around or work on and stuff for people. And when video's done, thinking about it. That channel will still be for some random stuff with trucks. My truck at least, and all tractor content like always. God damn. This road hasn't been touched. I don't even have snow tires. I got fucking, I don't even know what tires, but they're just normal tires. They look stocks. What they are. Rims are at least. Car up there. This fucking hill's bad. I know where I'm at. That's all that matters. Yeah, there we go. Truck don't like this hill. Fucking fine truck, we got it this way. I do like having that auto 4-wheel drive. Yeah, it's an electrical problem to worry about, but I sure do like it. Yeah, there we go. 4-wheel drive. This works just fine. I wouldn't figured I was gonna make it in 2-wheel drive. I didn't have enough weight in the back end either. I got the gooseneck in the back, and I've been 40-pound bag of salt and some trash and a shovel in my toolbox with straps in it. I don't have enough weight in the back end. There's more weight in the front end. But yeah, this truck is awesome. I really like it. I've been enjoying it when I drive. I got a CB in it now. We're just going a couple more. Put it back at 2. not like hard snow, so we'll see what happens. I might go out and do some plowing tomorrow. Get you guys some content there. Or I'm not fucking video recording. Never mind, I am. I